Hi everyone, welcome back to Louise Kitchen. I hope everyone is keeping well. In today's video, I bring to you authentic Ghanaian beans stew and plantain. I mean Gob3. So let's get cooking. In this glass bowl, I have my black high beans. I will then go ahead and wash it gently. Added some water and soaked it overnight. Soaking your beans will help shorten the cooking process. Next, I drained the water and washed the beans thoroughly. I then add the washed beans to the pot. Enough water, covered it and cook it for about 45 minutes until it gets soft. I then went ahead and add palm oil to a pot. Ensure your oil is hot, and then I will go ahead and add my sliced onion, my blended ingredients, give it a good stir, and then I added some chopped tomatoes and cook it for about 10 minutes. I then added my black pepper, shrimp cube, salt to taste, stirred it, and went ahead and added my smoked mackerel. I then stir it very well and cook it for about 7 minutes. And I also added the cooked beans and cook it for 5 minutes until the oil settles on top. And here we are, our stew is ready. Now let's get ready with our plantain. I have my oil ready going, so I will cut my plantain and season it up and fry until it's golden brown. Thank you all for watching, and special thanks to my new subscribers. I hope you like this recipe and you will give it a try. If so, please feel free to leave your comment, like and share. Bye all for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.